Hello everyone, welcome back to GearUpWindows. In today's video, I will show you how to use the tab search feature in the Brave browser on Windows 11 or Windows 10. Brave now includes a dedicated tab search button similar to Google Chrome, making it easier to find your tabs. So let's get started. First, open Brave browser on your computer. Now look at the top right corner near minimize button. You will find a dedicated tab search button. Click on this one to open tab search panel. Now in the search box, type the name of the tab you are looking for. Brave will instantly show matching results from your open and recently closed tabs. Simply click on the tab to switch to it. You can also press Ctrl plus Shift plus A on your keyboard to open tab search instantly. If you don't see the tab search button, make sure your Brave browser is updated to the latest version. That's it. This is how you can use the tab search feature on Brave browser in Windows 11 or Windows 10. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to GearUpWindows. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.